Hola. Es para mí un placer darles la bienvenida. Soy Ana, y queremos agradecerles a todos el interés y el tiempo que han reservado para ser parte de este evento. Antes de empezar, sepan que sus micrófonos permanecerán apagados para mejor calidad de sonido de nuestros speakers, pero todas sus consultas o dudas las pueden realizar a través del chat que está en esta plataforma a la derecha. Me queda darles una cálida bienvenida a todos y cada uno de ustedes. Empecemos.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us today to this Analytics Conference 2021. I hope you're all enjoying our session so far. My name is Gustavo Schottenhofer. I'm the Director of Sales Analytics for the North Region and USA as well. So I would like to welcome you all to this track, Cómo liberar el valor de sus datos, or how to unleash the value of your data. We are very thrilled about this event and having you here today with us. During this presentation, please feel free to write your comments or questions in the chat box. We will be taking care of them during the session, or we will be having a separate session to answer all the pending questions that can pop up. So now I would like to introduce and welcome Sharon Om, VP of SAP Platform and Technologies, and an incredible support for us and many other partners who will be enlightening us about how SAP can draw insights to give data a purpose. Welcome, Sharon. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you, Gustavo?
I'm great. Thank you for being here, Sharon. I already made the first introduction, but why don't you introduce yourself and give our audience a brief explanation about your role? And I don't think that it will be necessary to explain what is SAP, right?
That's right. Thank you, Gustavo, for the warm welcome and the opportunity to share the session with you and your audience. As a member of the SAP Global Platform and Technologies Group, I work with all of the regional and cross-functional teams, customers, as well as great partners like Data Analytics to help our customers find the right solutions for their business challenges aligned with their ultimate vision. There are so many technologies out there, and there's no one size fits all. It's a strategic exercise, but there are some well-proven best practices. So together, we've also been running programs like Amplify with fast time to value solutions, putting our customers' business outcome the topmost priority.
Great. We are very glad to have you here today, Sharon. So now, moving forward to what brought us here today, we know that companies actually are facing big challenges to manage and create meaningful insights with their data, the tons of data that are out there. So what would you say are the most important challenges, and how can SAP BTP platform help them?
Sure. One privilege of being part of SAP, who is committed to helping every customer become a best run business, is that we get to work with customers of all sizes, industries, and regions to learn, understand, and think very hard about what's preventing them from growing faster. Every business has unique goals, unique challenges, and unique situations, but they all have experienced three common barriers that are costly and slowing them down. Number one, the complexity of data landscape. According to Forrester, between 60% and 73% of all data within an enterprise goes unused. That's terabytes of data collected but has no purpose and no value. The process complexity. Companies today lose millions of dollars due to manual and disjointed processes. The inefficiencies are elevated as processes expand across lines of business, companies, and locations. And finally, the complexity of user experience. For consumers, we're talking about the experience of searching, purchasing, and using the products and services, and feel safe that they are getting the best value from you and not from your competitors. For business, it's about delivering efficient end-to-end experience, connecting your entire value chain across the lines of business, suppliers, delivery partners, and the customers. In fact, all three types of complexities are connected to each other. Without the business data, any attempt to improve processes will be blindsided. Without streamlined and smart processes, you will not be able to deliver exceptional experiences. Without the ability to capture and analyze the data that results from business interactions and processes, you'll be throwing away valuable insights that can help you decide your next steps in becoming a best run business.
Too many complexities.
That's right. So it is for this reason that SAP has created a business technology platform that provides the digital foundation and intelligent technologies to help you connect people experiences, data, and business processes together. You can start your transformation journey with any one of these areas and freely take on your next set of challenges when you're ready. You'll be assured that all of your innovative efforts and investments are collectively driving towards a better business outcome, and your technologies work together to support your vision. This is especially important in today's environment, where we experience all sorts of changes that create pressure to be faster, more agile, and more competitive. Today, we're going to zoom into one of these entry points, Gustavo, data, and how you can unleash the value of your data. Data powers the way people think and act. Human brains are designed to look for patterns, recognize relationships, make connections, and use the knowledge to think of creative ways to solve a problem or try a new idea. But the reality for many businesses is that being able to use that data to create value is not an intuitive process. Why is that? Here are some common challenges that we've seen. The data complexities are not new problems for many businesses, except that with data volume, data types, and number of data sources growing at an explosive rate, the demand for a more scalable and flexible solution has been intensified. And with COVID and increased remote workplaces, the data needs to be accessible from any location without compromising integrity, quality, and security.
Yeah, very important and huge challenges. But I'm pretty sure you will tell us how we can help our customer with these challenges, right? I know that currently SAP provides a very strong platform for both cloud and hybrid environments that brings together intelligent enterprise applications with database, data management, analytics, integration, and orchestration as well. What can you tell us about this offering and the solution that SAP is providing?
Of course. The traditional dependency on IT to access, model, provision, and update the data is no longer sufficient. It's stifling the business's ability to make timely decisions and develop innovative solutions for a better future. So it's now a critical time to step up your data culture so that extracting the value of your data and making intelligent, data-driven decisions become part of who you are as a business. The data and analytics portfolio within SAP Business Technology Platform addresses the data complexity challenges with an interconnected strategy. From the beginning, your data should be stored and integrated in a database that can scale with your data growth while supporting the business in real time. For all of your distributed enterprise data assets, you need a way to orchestrate the information flows, catalog, enrich, and process the data with full transparency and governance. To bring data to life, you need to connect it with the business context. And this is done by democratizing the data and empowering the business users to unlock insights. And finally, users can use business intelligence, predictive, and planning insights to make data-driven decisions. Our solutions, SAP HANA Cloud, SAP Data Intelligence, SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, and SAP Analytics Cloud, are fully managed services that work together to help you create instant business value from your data. To be sure, the power of data becomes real when there's enough of volume to represent the reality of your business. According to a market pulse survey by IDG, some companies are drawing data from an average of over 400 different data sources, with the volume growing at 63% per month. The challenge lies in how to organize this data to make sense out of it, who needs what data, and how you govern it, share it, and augment it so that your data always speaks the truth. And finally, what good is it if your data cannot be used by the lines of business to understand what's happening and act based on the insights? So once again, you need a data strategy that works end-to-end and embedded in your business to make your data culture intuitive, continuous, and autonomous.
This is great, and let me tell you that this make our job easier to implement this whole portfolio and this solution directly to our customers. And one more thing, Jaron, is what would you say is the base or the foundation for getting the value out of data that you have been telling us? How can we integrate all this data on a cloud-based solution that allow us to integrate sources from across the enterprise?
For sure. With a few minutes we have left, let's go over a few ways of how SAP HANA Cloud can help you in your data journey as a starting point. At the beginning of the presentation, I referred to a study that indicated between 60 to 73% of data collected in an enterprise goes unused. Nonetheless, this data is being stored at a very high cost. To increase the value of your data while lowering your costs, you want to think about organizing your data according to how often you need to access them, how fast you need them, and how frequently the data itself is changed. You need real-time access to the data that you can trust, but not all data needs to be accessed or updated every second. So the tiered storage architecture of SAP HANA Cloud allows you to store and process your data with optimal performance and cost. You can still easily access or move your data across the tiers in a managed and secure environment. As you move lower in the data tiers, the cost of storage is drastically reduced while you're still benefiting from the on-demand availability of your data. SAP HANA Cloud offers elastic scale so that you can adjust your costs based on the data workload. For example, one of our customers has production, dev, and test tenants of SAP HANA Cloud, and between non-working hours, they bring down the dev and test tenants to keep the costs to a minimum. Next is how do you increase the speed of insight to value? Again, while keeping your costs down. SAP HANA Cloud has built-in data virtualization as well as replication capabilities. With virtual access, you gain ultimate simplicity with real-time access to data as if it is stored locally through one single access point. Since you now have the freedom to decide where you keep your data, you avoid unnecessary data copies and inconsistencies. And this technology allows you to access on-premise or cloud sources so that you can enjoy the convenience of one single gateway to your data in a hybrid environment. My last point on SAP HANA Cloud today brings us to how to maximize and accelerate business value with a single environment of multi-purpose database. In a business environment, you have both transactional and analytical data. They require different types of structures and are used for different purposes. SAP HANA Cloud is designed to do both at an extremely high speed. It also includes multiple advanced analytic engines, such as spatial, graph, predictive, machine learning, and so on. So you can store and process different types of data, analyze their relationships and patterns. So a key benefit for you is that it's a very versatile database that allows you to generate business value from the data you already have without a heavy upfront investment. And as part of SAP Business Technology Platform, it works with other business applications, technologies, and content to help you innovate faster, interconnecting data, processes, and people experiences together to deliver exceptional experience.
Thank you, Sharon. This is so exciting. I'm pretty sure that this is really helpful for our customers and participants today. And having all these capabilities and at this high speed is really, really awesome. So I'm pretty sure that everyone is enjoying this. And basically, and during this conference, our participants already had and also will have the opportunity to know and to understand some of our customer experiences. But I believe you have a good reference as well that's already taking a good advantage over the platform, right?
I do. I'd like to share a customer story of Asha Group. Asha Group is an Italian multi-utility company providing top quality essential services such as water, energy, lighting, and waste. The company has been around for more than 100 years, since 1909. And the water service, for instance, serves 9 million local residents of Italy. Asha Group generates a vast amount of data from a mix of data sources, including on-premise, cloud, SAP, and non-SAP sources. So they needed a solution that is adaptive to their current data consumption, but also can scale to handle future growth.
Wow.
They weren't just looking for data storage. They were already running 8 different business applications on SAP's older technology. And to provide the best service experience and efficient processes, they needed a technology platform that can allow them to build purpose-driven applications faster with improved data usage and high performance. So by going live on SAP HANA Cloud, they enjoy the scalability and flexibility. And because it's a managed service and you only pay for the data you consume, their time and resources can be redirected to focus on strategic activities. So here's a very good success story of going from dealing with the cost of data complexity challenges to growing value for the business in a best run company.
Amazing. Great success story. Thanks for sharing that.
Yeah, no problem. So start your journey to unleash the value of your data today. And if you want more information or stay connected, you can find links to the resources here. Of course, data analytics is your powerful partner and friend to help you with that journey together with SAP.
Thank you for that, Sharon. So, well, we are coming to the end of this session and almost done for today. We still have one more session today and two more days full of tracks in the following 2 days. So customer stories and many other things that you will be able to participate. So if you like this content, I encourage you all to sign up for the C10 session. It's called La Promesa de los Datos, where Promesa, our customer from Ecuador, will tell you how they have been working also with this platform and technology, integrating different data sources and turning data into value as well. So sign up for that session. It will be great. So this is the end. Thank you, Sharon, for being here today and for your support. As I mentioned before, it's been an honor for us, and I'm pretty sure that everyone enjoyed as I did.
Thank you for your time today. I look forward to connecting with everyone in the near future.
Thank you, Sharon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.